Moving to Sugar Land, Texas, is it a good idea? Sugar Land, Texas is often praised as one of the best places to live in Texas. But is it really for everyone? We are going to break down the pros and cons to make you decide if Sugar Land fits your lifestyle and your needs. So get ready with a pen and paper. Sugar Land boasts a lot: excellent schools, a luxurious feel, and convenient access to Houston and surrounding counties. But like any other places, it has got some of its drawbacks. So let's go into the detail. First, let's talk about the positive. Sugar Land schools are a major draw. The Fort Bend Independent School District consistently ranks higher, with many schools achieving top-tier status in Texas. If education is non-negotiable for you, this is a significant advantage. Another big plus is the lifestyle. Sugar Land is known for its well-planned neighborhoods, many featuring beautiful lakes. The aesthetic is carefully maintained with strict regulations, ensuring a cohesive look throughout the city. And to make a convenient commute to the Houston, the park and ride system and HOV lanes offers a relatively smooth commute. Let's talk about few neighborhoods which gives you that aspect of luxury. Areas like Palm Royal Boulevard showcase high-end homes and meticulously landscaped streets. If you value a certain level of prestige and you're willing to pay the price for it, Sugar Land delivers. All the other Sugar Land neighborhoods are mostly master plan communities with tree-lined streets, parks, playgrounds, lake, community pools, tennis courts, resort-style children's playground, state-of-the-art gym, which makes the living very pleasant. New Territory, a master plan community in Sugar Land, features 450 acres of green spaces and major employment center outside its borders. But something you must know is Sugar Land flood zones. Sugar Land is located near Brazos River and it has an elevation of 100 feet. Therefore, flooding is a potential hazard that needs to be understood. However, most of the Sugar Land neighborhoods that could have potential flooding issues are currently protected with a vast levee system which is designed by the Fort Bend County. Whenever you buy a home in Sugar Land, you should obtain a recent survey and a flood certificate to notify you if home in a Sugar Land is in high-risk flood zone. Most of the homes are not in the flood zones, but if you have concern, there is national flood insurance available at an extremely low cost of $700 a year. Now that you know everything about Sugar Land, consider your priorities. If excellent schools and a luxurious lifestyle are paramount, you are comfortable with the higher cost of living, Sugar Land is worth serious consideration. And ask yourself these 4 questions to help you reinforce your decision. What's my budget? Can I comfortably afford the higher home price and cost of living? What are my priorities for school? Is top-tier school, is it a must-have? What kind of lifestyle am I seeking? Do I value a well-maintained, established community? And how important is a short commute to Houston Medical Center or downtown? Once you answer these questions honestly, you will have a clarity whether Sugar Land aligns with your needs. So now let's address why Sugar Land, Texas cannot be for you. You have fixed budget for mortgage expenses. If your budget is tight and does not have room for annual property tax increase, increased home insurance costs, know that every year Sugar Land property taxes are assessed 10% higher than the previous year. It can significantly affect your budget. Also, everything around the area, including the home repairs, restaurants, entertainment, tuition classes, everything will cost you little more. This area has a top-notch service industries, which means the cost of living is higher than the average surrounded cities. Also, if you're looking for a new construction and modern architectural variety, Sugar Land is largely built out, meaning homes are 25-year-old while well-maintained. The architectural styles may not appeal to those seeking contemporary designs. The limited availability of new construction might be a deal breaker for you. And last, if the proximity to the Brazos River bothers you, worries you, then this will not be a right place for you. But I almost forgot. If you want a rural lifestyle, Sugar Land is a suburban urban city. If you want large plots of land in a rural lifestyle, you will not find a large selection in Sugar Land, Texas. So I hope this breakdown has been helpful to you. Remember, there are many fantastic cities in Fort Bend County, and we will be exploring them all in this series. I'm Sonal Shah, your go-to realtor in Sugar Land, Texas. If you haven't subscribed yet, be sure to subscribe and press bell icon so you can get informed everything about real estate in Houston. Thank you for watching, and see you next week for another city in Fort Bend County.